So I don't know about you, but being stuck inside when it's so cold is not as much fun as when it's warm and we can go play outside in the sunshine, right? All right, so we're going to sing a song to help Mr. Winter get out of here so that spring weather can finally join us. All right, my friends, here we go. Spring is on its way, you say, so why is the cold wind blowing? I'd like to run outside and play, but now it's started snowing. Oh no. Well, the birds want to chirp and the flowers want to grow. The bunnies want to hop and the streams want to flow. And here we are still stuck inside. Old Mr. Winter, please step aside. Hurry. Spring is on its way, you say, so why am I still freezing? I'd like to run outside and play, but I just can't stop sneezing. Achoo! Well, the birds want to chirp and the flowers want to grow. The bunnies want to hop and the streams want to flow. And here we are still stuck inside. Old Mr. Winter, please step aside. Hurry. Spring is on its way, you say, so why is it so cloudy? I'd like to run outside and play. I'm starting to get pouty. Can you show me your pouty face at home? Well, the birds want to chirp and the flowers want to grow. The bunnies want to hop and the streams want to flow. Here we are still stuck inside. Old Mr. Winter, please step aside. Hurry. Spring is on its way, you say. I think I might see sunshine. Let's go run outside and play. Spring will get here just in time. Then the birds get to chirp and the flowers get to grow. The bunnies get to hop and the streams get to flow. And we can all go play outside. Let's all wave Mr. Winter goodbye. See ya. Oh, friends, I really hope that works and it becomes nice and warm again soon. We've had some beautiful days, but we also know it's so cold outside today, so fingers crossed for some warm